Welcome to Zoyo Daily English.
And welcome to our brand new series,
Fix My English. Let me ask you something. How many times have you said something in English and thought, wait, was that correct?
every single day, right?
Today we are going to fix 3 mistakes that most English learners make without even knowing it.
And by the end of this episode, you will never make these mistakes again.
Let's fix your English. Let's fix your English. He is very good in English.
So close!
In or at how do we remember?
For skills and subjects, good at English, cooking, football.
Is it good at or good in?
It's good at.
He's very good at English. Good at, not good in. Say it. He's very good at English. Okay, yesterday I have gone to the market.
Ooh, tense mistake. It should be,
Yesterday I went to the market. Why can't we say have gone?
because yesterday is a finished time. Finished time needs simple past, went, not have gone.
For now. Yesterday I went to the market. Last one. She said me to come early.
Good one. It should be, she told me to come early.
What's the difference between said and told?
Tell needs a person after it. Tell me, tell him. Say doesn't. And she said it was early.
So told me, not said me. Let's say it. She told me to come early. That's it for today's episode of Fix My English.
If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe to Zoyo Daily English.
See you next time.
time.